Think your Windows PC has malware. Windows security includes Microsoft Defender, which can detect and remove many common threats. In this guide, I'll show you how to scan your PC and safely handle detections. First, open Start and search for Windows Security. Open the app, then select Virus and Threat Protection. Start with a quick scan. This checks common locations where malware may be found. When it finishes, review the results under Current Threats. If Windows detects a threat, open the alert and check its name, severity, and recommended action. If Defender recommends removing or quarantining it, follow that recommendation. Quarantine isolates the file so it can't normally run. Next, open Protection History and confirm that the detected item has been handled. If you suspect there are more threats, select Scan Options and run a full scan. This checks much more of your system and may take longer. For threats that keep returning, consider Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Windows will restart and scan outside the normal Windows environment, so save your work first. Before scanning again, open Protection Updates and select Check for Updates. This helps Defender recognize newer threats. After removing malware, run another scan if needed and make sure real-time protection is enabled. Also keep Windows updated. And that's how to remove malware with Windows Security. Scan first, follow Defender's recommendations, and avoid restoring suspicious files unless you're certain they're safe.